Hey guys, it's Brendan the Paleo Dude here with another scan code video. Today we'll be doing every single Baryonyx so far, minus the newest one. I think it just released in some places. But yeah, we've got the first versions from 2018, we got the Dino Rivals from 2019, Camp Cretaceous 2020, and the 2021 Dino Escape. So we've got the whole lineup here. And a quick note, look at all of those unpainted nails. There's only 2 of them with painted nails. Very, very sad, but whatever. It is what it is. So let's dive right in. First we'll do the classic Baryonyx. Mine's tail fell off and I couldn't bother finding it and putting it back on for this video. So you'll see there's a little nub there. Let's try focusing it. There we go. So there's that. Next, the lava surge playset Baryonyx. This one was a fun one. And then we'll do the Dino Rivals dirt bike chase, the battle damage one. This one's very interesting. Gave it a nice red color. And of course the battle damage markings. And then we've got the green Dino Rivals Baryonyx. So this figure is based off of the, I think it's 1994 Series 2 Kenner Baryonyx, or at least it's very reminiscent of that one, with the green body and then the yellow head. Next, we have the, we just lost Grim. Limbo, the cheaper version of Limbo that comes in the camp set or whatever. Darius and the Stegosaurus. And then we got Grim. The Sound Strike, I think it's called. And this guy's Camp Cretaceous as well, obviously. And very cool, we get a new action feature. And now we get another new action feature, finally, with the new... Which one was this one again? I just said it, Limbo. A new Limbo figure. So that's really neat. I can't wait for the Chaos one. That one's gonna look sweet. Anyways, so there you have it, another specific scan code video. Again, assuming you're watching this video because you need the scan codes of some of these guys, and I hope that helped you guys out. And make sure to take a look at my channel for more scan code videos like this, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.